If you want to enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first you can go to Settings. In Settings, if you scroll down, you can go to Notifications, and then here you will find Do Not Disturb. Here you can manually enable and disable Do Not Disturb mode. If you do so, then you can choose when you want to turn it off. If you want to turn it off manually, then you can leave this option as it is and then choose Turn On. You can also set up the timer, so for instance you can set it to 1 hour or more, of course, and then simply press Turn On. You can also create a schedule for DND. Over here we have the schedule here. We have one created already, sleeping, and we can tap on the switch light to turn it on or off, or we can press Add Schedule in order to create our own. We can also choose what is allowed during the Do Not Disturb mode. We have calls and messages, where some are allowed. We have the app notifications, alarms and sounds. We can also hide notifications over here. Furthermore, we can also go to Quick Settings. So if you open Quick Settings, then we can unfold this list, and then here we have the Do Not Disturb mode. We can tap on it in order to also turn it on or off. So you can go back to Quick Settings and turn it off as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!